In today's video, we're diving into how to automate CRM data entry with Salesflare, a tool that's not just user-friendly, but also smart enough to save you hours each week. If you've ever struggled with manually entering CRM data or keeping up with all your leads, this video will show you how Salesflare can streamline that process and help you focus on what matters most, building relationships and closing deals. Stick around to learn how to automate data entry and transform your workflow. Now, the first thing that makes Salesflare unique is how it automates data entry right out of the box. It does this by automatically pulling in information from emails, calendars, and social media profiles, so you don't have to waste time typing it in. As soon as you engage with a lead, Salesflare can extract all the relevant contact details, interaction history, and even follow-ups. This seamless integration saves you from constantly updating records manually, which means less admin and more selling. But that's not all. Salesflare has an intelligent system that keeps track of everything you need without you having to lift a finger. It looks through your email threads, meetings, and contacts to make sure your CRM data stays up to date and accurate. Imagine that. No more duplicate data, no more missing details. Everything's always in sync, and your CRM stays fresh with minimal effort. Another key feature you should know about is how Salesflare integrates with other tools in your tech stack, like Gmail, Outlook, and even LinkedIn. It pulls all the relevant information into your CRM automatically. For example, when you have a meeting scheduled with a lead, it can capture that from your calendar and attach it to the right contact in Salesflare. You'll never miss an important follow-up again because the system prompts you when it's time to take action. Salesflare's pipeline automation is also a game changer. As leads move through your pipeline, Salesflare automatically updates their status, so you don't have to do anything manually. This keeps everything organized, and you can focus on the personal interactions that drive sales, rather than getting bogged down by updating every stage of the pipeline yourself. It's also worth noting that Salesflare is built with teams in mind. So, if you're working with a sales team, everyone's data will be perfectly aligned. Whether you're tracking performance, collaborating on leads, or keeping an eye on metrics, Salesflare ensures that everything is in one place and easy to manage. I've also got a special treat for you. If you're thinking about trying Salesflare for yourself, you can use the software for free right now through the link in the description below. Plus, there's an exclusive extended free trial available that you won't find anywhere else. That means you can test out all these features risk-free and see how much time you'll save with automated CRM data entry. Before we wrap up, remember, Salesflare isn't just about automating CRM data entry. It's about making your whole workflow more efficient and freeing up your time so you can do what you do best, sell. So, whether you're a solopreneur or part of a large team, Salesflare makes it easy to keep everything running smoothly. Don't forget to grab your exclusive extended free trial from the first link in the description below. With that, you can start automating your CRM data entry today and see just how much more you can accomplish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.